Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready, like 2 1/4 cups of flour and 1 cup of milk. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Properly prepare your cake pans by greasing and flouring them, or lining them with parchment paper to prevent sticking and ensure easy removal. Next, let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, such as 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder. In a separate bowl, cream together 1/2 cup of softened butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time. Now, it's time to bring it all together. Gradually add the dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredients, alternating with 1 cup of milk, beginning and ending with the dry. Mix until just combined. Overmixing can make your cake tough. Pour the batter evenly into your prepared cake pans and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. Finally, the finishing touches. Once baked, let your cakes cool in their pans for about 10 minutes. This helps them firm up before you invert them onto a wire rack. It's crucial to let the cakes cool completely, perhaps for 1 hour, before you even think about frosting them. Then, you can apply your delicious frosting and decorate as desired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.